Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Kenny's Tour Review. I've got an interesting one here for you. We had to buy this as a emergency, I guess. We had to get it overnighted, so we paid out the ass for it. They're normally like 320 bucks on Amazon, but to overnight it, it cost a total of $512. So hopefully it continues to being good. Our old one over there broke. That's the $80 one off Amazon, and that's why we had to get this kit. That one does not come with the caps either. These caps actually worked really good. All the ones that I've used so far, it's got a couple here, so I haven't used them all yet. I'll give an update video if that ever changes. I know the ones with the chains, they tend to kind of suck, but that's really not the kit's fault here. It's just the reservoir is an issue. Pretty good kit. Comes with this tube here. You can also fill like transmissions if you wanted to with it. Comes with a pump, hand pump on the top, and then a hook, which they should have made a spot to store the hook here, but it works fine there. I got a valve so you can turn on and off the pressure if you need to. There's a little relief here and a nice pressure gauge, which is on the top instead of being on the bottom like the other ones. It got me out of a pinch. For a Ford, I needed to bleed, and it just wouldn't kick dirt and air bubbles out of the ABS unit, so super necessary. Highly recommend this kit for flushes. The only thing that I've ever used that's better than this would be like a BG machine. The BG machine's obviously a lot better, and it comes with its own sucker and all of adapters and all that other stuff. So highly recommend this kit, and if you liked, like, comment, subscribe down in the comments, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.